Hey everybody, how's it going? It has been a hot minute since I uploaded any new videos, and in the last video, I said that I was going to be giving away a free Arduino Nano. Now that things have calmed down in Texas and in my life in general, I am making this video to announce that winner, so let's hop on over to the computer and see who it is. So I have my Excel spreadsheet up here with all of the names that commented on this video. And on the right hand side, I have a random number generator. So let's go ahead and put in these numbers and see who it is. Lucky number 6. So that means Mr. Volt, you are the winner of the Arduino Nano. So Mr. Volt, make sure you go ahead and reach out to me so that we can figure out how to get this Arduino Nano out to you. Congratulations. And to all of the viewers out there who made me hit that subscriber count, thank you very much. I appreciate it. And I hope you continue to enjoy the content. Till next time, take care.